Taoiseach, the most shameful legacy of this government is its failure to get to grips with homelessness. Every month, the homeless figures are announced, new records are set. There are now 16,766 people living in emergency accommodation, a staggering amount. Included in this figure are 5,274 children. That's 5,274 children who will spend Christmas in cramped hotel rooms or hubs. 5,274 children who won't get to sit down at their own kitchen table to eat Christmas dinner. And 5,274 children whose parents are heartbroken. For many of these children, it will be their second or even third year spending Christmas in emergency accommodation. When Fianna Fáil first entered government with Fine Gael in 2020, there were 2,653 children living in emergency accommodation. Taoiseach, under your watch, in just 5 years, the number of children who are homeless has nearly doubled. That is this government's record. And every month, that record gets worse and worse and worse. The damage this is doing to thousands of children is immense. One study found homeless children were more likely to be bullied and twice as likely to require hospitalisation. One clinic treating children in emergency accommodation found that in nearly 30% of cases, the child had developmental delays. Increasing numbers of children in emergency accommodation are also presenting with problems associated with malnutrition. Problems like rickets, anemia, faltering growth, extreme tooth decay and skin conditions. It's even harder for children with additional needs who experience huge trauma from having to live in noisy and cramped conditions. Taoiseach, when the homeless crisis is discussed in this chamber, the government adopts the position of a kind of concerned commentator, as if you're helplessly watching this human tragedy unfold. But you're not some kind of hapless bystander, powerless to act. You have the full might of the state at your disposal. You just choose not to do enough about it. It is your housing policies that have put these children and their families in emergency accommodation, and those same housing policies will ensure that more children and families join them. The figures speak for themselves. A 99% increase in homelessness in 5 years.
Taoiseach to respond.
Taoiseach, you mentioned the need for backbone in politics at times. If this isn't the time, then when is? Will you introduce a temporary, no-fault eviction ban to prevent more children ending up homeless over Christmas?
Taoiseach.
But Deputy, that's, for your perspective, that's the short-term popular answer, isn't it? But all that would do would depress the supply. The fundamental answer to homelessness is supply. And your party has never got that. All your proposals, in my view, would actually depress supply and reduce it. That's the fundamental difference between us. I'm not going for the short-term popular sort of thing, ban this, all of that. Sounds great. But it would be damaging to getting more and more supply into the market. That's the bottom line. But also I would say to you, homelessness is a huge issue facing the country. It's a complex issue, far more complex than the manner in which you have presented it. It's not all at the door of government. We had a good presentation at the Housing Cabinet Subcommittee meeting earlier this week, and which illustrated the complex factors behind homelessness. Different categories of people becoming homeless for different reasons, requiring a different response. A whole range of issues, outside the control of some people, obviously, but which need attention. And I have to be careful how I say this, but there are pressures coming from the increase in the population, and the migratory pressures do factor in the homeless issue. In Dublin, if you look at it, the figures are very clear, and I'll be talking to the Dublin Region Executive about this and what we can do to help. So that's why the issue is increasing, actually. People coming out of direct provision, for example, and family reunification is creating challenges. It's the right thing to do, and our challenge is to provide housing solutions. But let's not pretend it's all just because of wanton neglect or someone doesn't care.
Taoiseach, there was a time when homelessness reaching 10,000 people would have been considered a resigning matter for this government, for any government, and rightly so. but somehow this government has succeeded in normalising it, and I think that that is extremely dangerous. There is nothing normal about it. 16,766 people homeless, including 5,274 children. These aren't just figures, Taoiseach. These are people who are suffering. And you stand up week after week and blame the opposition, blame the planning laws, blame EU red tape. The latest full guide today is immigrants. We know that the biggest cause of families entering homelessness is eviction. We know that. It's clear that this government doesn't even believe in itself when it comes to addressing the housing crisis, doubling down on failure with the same policies that we know don't work, dusting off old policy measures that have already demonstrably failed.
Thank you, Deputy.
Where is the emergency response? Where is the change in approach?
Thank you.
Where is even the acknowledgement that your approach doesn't work?
Thank you, Deputy Taoiseach, to respond.
I mean, great old slogans, you know, dusting down the old policies. It's all just rhetoric. Jargon, you know. I mean, no, you're
Sorry,
saying,
Deputy, it's not a back and forth.
You're saying keep doing the same thing.
You've had your opportunity.
We've built over 50,000 social houses, or delivered over 50,000. The new plan will deliver over 72,000. That's substance, like. That's building houses.
Sorry,
that's building
Deputy.
houses. You're not leader yet, Deputy. That's building. You know, that's real substance. You're building houses. We need to build more and build them as fast as we possibly can. So that is our approach, by the way. And it's something I initiated back in 2020. And we have resurrected social house building in this country through the local authorities and approved housing bodies. And we've also leased and we've also acquired housing for the social housing portfolio. We also need to develop affordable housing as well. And we all know we need to get to 50,000 per annum overall in terms of house building, and 60 if we can. That's the answer to it. But sorry, we are intervening, and we've been intervening all of the time.
Thank you, Taoiseach.
Local authorities are intervening all of the time.
Thank you, Taoiseach. Time is up.
Families
Deputy Seamus
from
Healy.
emergency accommodation.
Deputy Seamus Healy.